Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I am coming on to complete the Heartfelt Creations card kit series. The title is Backyard Blossoms. This is the card we are making today. It's a beautiful card. So all we will need to do is just ink around the edges, and you can either choose Sunflower and Archival ink or Buttercup, whichever you want. So we'll just ink around this frame and also this card and the sentiment, "It's your birthday," in those colors. You will also pop it up on some dimensional foam, which I have already done. Okay, and then you'll color in your die cuts in your preferred colors, which they recommend in Vibrant Fuchsia, Buttercup, and then the greens, which I don't have. I just chose Bamboo Leaves and New Sprout for the greens. So I'm going to speed up the video. This is a very easy card. If you need to adjust the speed, there is a gear in the lower right hand corner that you can choose the speed, whether you want to speed it up even faster or slow it down. It's all up to you. Okay, so I'm going to get this video started. Sit back and I'll play some music. Enjoy. here's the finished card. It turned out so pretty for that special someone. This completes the Backyard Blossoms card kit series. I hope you enjoyed. I had fun making the cards. In case you want to follow along with the series, I'll link the kit in the description box below. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.